Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these into pairing mode. Both the buds are in a case. I'm going to open this lid up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking 3 colors, blue, red, green, but I get like a solid green light. Mine goes off, no problem. Let me just manually put this into pairing mode. There's a button here on the back here. I'm going to leave the lid open. I'm going to press and hold that button for 4 or 5 seconds until it starts blinking those 3 colors. So ready, go. Press and hold. I'm holding now. Still holding. Wait, there we go. Oh, there we go. Green, red, blue, green, red, blue. Go ahead and let go. Leave it just like that. Now shoot over to your computer and you want to go to the Bluetooth settings. I'm going to go down the left-hand side here. I'm just going to do a search for Bluetooth and we're going to go to Bluetooth and other devices settings. Let's tap on that. From here, let's tap on Bluetooth other devices. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And now this little plus sign, it says add Bluetooth other device. We're going to go ahead and tap on that plus sign. And now from here, we're going to select the first one. It says Bluetooth right there on top. Let's select that. Now you see this line that's going across there. It's searching for devices that's in Bluetooth mode, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it did find it. It's still in the pairing mode. There's 3 colors there. And you can see it's already found it right there. Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Let me go ahead and select that. Let's wait for it to connect. Okay, it's paired, ready to go. Let me go ahead and tap on done down here. And you can see under audio here, if we scroll down, you can see it's connected. I have other earbuds and headphones all connected, but it's just paired, but only the Galaxy 4 Buds Pro is connected, and I can pop these in and listen to it from the computer. Pretty simple.